Hello everyone and welcome to grammar session. Today we are going to do adverb. Now first of all let us understand what is an adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb किसको describe करता है? Verb को, adjective को और another adverb को. राइट हम लोगों ने हमारे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में ये देखा था कि व्हाट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव नाउन और प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. राइट और वर्ब जो एडवर्ब है वो किसको डिस्क्राइब करता है? वो वर्ब को, एडजेक्टिव को और दूसरे एडवर्ब को डिस्क्राइब करता है. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एन एडवर्ब. ओके, अब नाउ टू फाइंड आउट what kind of an adverb it is in the sentence, right? Sentence में अगर हमें find करना है कि किस तरह का adverb है, adverb answers basic question to verbs that help us to classify them into basic types. जैसे for example, we have we have 5 types of adverbs. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency. Okay, so now अब ये हमें किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे वर्ब पर, so that we get the kind of adverb. अब मैं साथ साथ में आपको कुछ sentences भी बताती जाऊंगी. Suppose if we talk about adverb of time. Adverb of time. अब adverb of time में we ask questions when. We ask question when. Adverb of time provides information about the time the verb takes place. Right? Adverb of time provides information about the time the verb takes place. And we ask a question when. ठीक है? Examples that I've given: already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately, and so on. Right? Suppose, for example, if I give you just एक example मैं लिखती हूँ. Example मैं इधर लिख रही हूँ. For example, I started school yesterday. I started school yesterday, right? When did you start the school? I started school yesterday. Okay, so this is an example of adverb of time. Now next example अगर मैं यहाँ पर बताऊं, next week I will buy. Next week I will buy books. Okay, this is called adverb of time. Okay, so adverb of time क्या करता है? It provides information about the time the verb takes place and we ask the question when. Okay, now next, adverb of place. Adverb of place. अब adverb of place क्या करता है? Adverb of place tells us where the verb is taking place. Adverb of place, what does it tell us? It tells us where the verb is taking place. And which question do we ask? We ask where. ठीक है? Where. Here I've given some example. Here, near, everywhere, nearby, down, away, backyards, upyards. Sorry, backwards, upwards, right? सो सपोज एक एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर मैं लिख देती हूँ, द dog was playing the dog was playing outside, right? So where was the dog playing? Playing outside. Okay. He was hiding behind. He was hiding behind the sofa. He was hiding behind the sofa. Okay. So ये क्या करते हैं? It is telling us where the verb is taking place. Okay. Hiding where? Hiding behind the sofa. Playing where? Playing outside. Okay. So this is called an adverb of place. Next comes adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Now, when we talk about adverb of manner, it provides information about how a verb is done. How a verb is done. What does the adverb of manner do? Adverb of manner जो है, it provides information about how a verb is done. For example, he spoke loudly. He spoke loudly. Next, they played happily. They played happily, right? So this is called adverb of manner, right? और वो कौन सा क्वेश्चन करता है? कौन सा क्वेश्चन? हाउ, राइट? और आप देखो यूजुअली इधर मैंने एग्जांपल्स लिखे हैं, ज्यादातर यूजुअली जो है एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर जो है ना वो एल वाई से एंड होता है. ये सो तो है लेकिन ज्यादातर एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर जो है वो एल वाई से जो है वो एंड होता है, एल वाई से एंड होता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्लोली, बैडली, ब्यूटिफुली, लाउडली, डिलाइटफुली. ओके, so these are all called adverb of manner. Okay, so I hope I am clear till here. ठीक है? Now next comes adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. अब ये adverb of frequency क्या बताता है? Adverb of frequency tells us how it tells us how often something occurs. How often something occurs. Adverb of frequency में मतलब कोई भी चीज किस लेवल पे, किस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे है ना अकर होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, here I've written few examples: always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, once, occasionally, right? Other examples मैं दे देती हूँ. For examples, she regularly visits the park. She regularly visits the park. How often she visits? How often? Right? Regularly she visits the parks. Then next, I occasionally eat pizza. I occasionally eat pizza. How often do I eat pizza? I occasionally eat pizza. Okay, तो जब adverb of frequency क्या करता है? It shows the level. It shows level या कितनी intensity से जो है काम हो रहा है. Regularly, occasionally, always, right? So this is called as adverb of frequency. Okay. Now next comes adverb of degree or quantity. Adverb of degree or quantity. अब adverb of degree or quantity again क्या बताता है? ये again level और intensity of a verb बताता है. Level of intensity और verb of a verb बताता है. Verb, adjective और another adverb कि कब हुआ है. How much, right? How much? जैसे almost, fully, quiet, too, much, more, little, few, enough, rather, perfectly, right? मैं एक एग्जाम्पल से आपको बताती हूँ. I have almost finished my homework. I have almost finished my homework, right? I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you, right? So these are all adverb of degree or quantity. Okay, and it answers the question how much. It answers the question how much, right? See, basic तो adverb 5 ही है, लेकिन एक और जैसे adverb of reason अगर हम बोलें या adverb of results अगर हम बोलें, right? जो question करता है why, right? Adverb of reason is used to express reasons, right? जैसे for example therefore, hence, so, since, etc. है ना? For example, मैं इधर एक एग्जाम्पल अगर दूं, I was not working, I was not studying hard, therefore I failed. ठीक है? I was not studying hard, therefore I failed. Okay, so why did I fail? Because I was not working, or I was not studying hard, therefore I failed. Okay, so this is a adverb of reason. जो question कौन सा पूछता है? Why. Is it clear? अब मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ. ये अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी भी सेंटेंस में एक से ज्यादा, 2 और मोर एडवर्ब्स अगर हो, राइट, तो हम वो एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर में मतलब किस तरह हम एडवर्ब्स को अरेंज करेंगे. So here I've written sequence of adverbs. If there are 2 or more adverbs after the verb, the adverb of manner comes first. क्या आता है? सबसे पहले कौन सा एडवर्ब आता है? अगर किसी सेंटेंस में 2 या 2 से ज्यादा एडवर्ब्स हैं, तो हम कोई सा भी एडवर्ब कहीं भी नहीं लगा सकते हैं. सबसे पहले कौन सा एडवर्ब आता है? वर्ब के बाद subject, then verb, right? And then comes adverb of manner, and then comes place, and then comes time. Okay, for example, here the students performed brilliantly at Trent Hall last Saturday. मैं इसी सेंटेंस को लास्ट वीक जो है थोड़ा चेंज करके मैंने बता रही थी, लेकिन मीटिंग गॉट ओवर. द स्टूडेंट्स इज अ सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. परफॉर्म्ड क्या है? वर्ब है. अब यहाँ पर यू हैव 2 to 3 एडवर्ब्स, राइट? brilliantly at Trent Hall last Saturday. So brilliantly is adverb of manner, that is, it is asking the question, the students performed how? Brilliantly. तो पहले हम brilliantly लिखेंगे, फिर adverb of place आएगा, where did they perform? At Trent Hall. And when did they perform? Last Saturday. Okay. तो अगर किसी सेंटेंस में टू और मोर देन टू एडवर्ब्स हैं तो ऑब्वियसली एवरी टाइम वर्ब के बाद सबसे पहले मैनर आता है, फिर प्लेस आता है एंड देन टाइम आता है. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. Here I have even written few adverbs. अब ये सारे adverbs जो है ना, वो जब हम conjunction का लेक्चर करेंगे, जब हम conjunction सीखेंगे, तब उसमें वो subordinate conjunctions वगैरह में भी आते हैं, right? जैसे adverb of affirmation. Affirmation का मतलब क्या होता है? Affirmation का मतलब accept करना something, shows acceptance, है ना? तो उसमें हम ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हैं, ये एडवर्ब्स, yes, absolutely, truly, certainly, surely, right? Adverb of yes, that is negative. Yes, negation shows refusal, मतलब कुछ refuse करना, no, not, never. Adverb of comparison, which again shows comparison, तो as pretty as, right? And then जो हमने adjective में किया था, वो positive, comparative, superlative वाला, तो ये जो है as and then से हमें पता चलता है. Adverb of purpose जो intention बताता है, तो we have so that, with the purpose of, with a view to, right? Adverb of contrast which shows opposite result, contrast. Word से हमें पता चल जाता है, though, although, even if, however, yet, ये सारे हम subordinate conjunctions की तरह भी use करते हैं. Adverb of condition lays down conditions, provided that, as long as, if, had. Adverb of extent shows limit or extent, as far as, so far as. These are the few examples which I have written over here. But basic important जो adverbs हैं वो हमने आगे जो पढ़े 5, right? Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of reason, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, ठीक है? And फिर मैंने आप लोगों को एक adverb of yes, adverb result, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of result or reasons, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of manner. These are the basic adverbs. I hope I'm clear till here. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो डेफिनेट और इनडेफिनेट में भी जो है डिफाइन हो सकती है. जैसे एडवर्ब ऑफ इनडेफिनेट, अगर मैं इनडेफिनेट एडवर्ब्स की बात करूं तो ये सारे ऑलवेज, आई ऑलवेज डू माई वर्क, आई यूजुअली डोंट गो देयर, राइट? तो ऑलवेज, यूजुअली, जनरली, नॉर्मली, फ्रीक्वेंटली, ऑफन, समटाइम्स, ओकेशनली, रेयरली, सेल्डम, हार्डली एवर, नेवर, ये सारी वर्ड्स जो है ये इनडेफिनेट है, ये चेंज हो सकती हैं, राइट? तो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो इनडेफिनेट फ्रीक्वेंसी की भी हो सकती है, डेफिनेट भी हो सकती है और इनडेफिनेट भी हो सकती है. डेफिनेट में जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, डेफिनेट मतलब कि आपको ये पता है कि ये होगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल you say that your English lecture is conducted thrice a week, right? तो वो फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको पता है, thrice a week it is, है ना? मतलब 3 times in a week, right? जैसे hourly, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, I have to pay my fees quarterly, fortnightly, twice a week, right? जैसे few teachers around the world are paid hourly, right? I will come to see you weekly, है ना? तो ये डेफिनेट है, मतलब आपने टाइम दे दिया है, डेफिनेट है. द पेमेंट्स नीड टू बी मेड फोर्टनाइटली. ओके. इंग्लिश लेक्चर इज कंडक्टेड थ्राइस अ वीक, राइट? ये डेफिनेट हो गए. तो डेफिनेट एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी हो गए। अब इनडेफिनेट के मैं अगर आपको जैसे एग्जांपल्स दूं, he always makes the same mistakes, मतलब 100% sure he makes the same mistake, right? he usually We usually don't borrow money from people that we don't know very well. अब ये indefinite क्यों है? क्योंकि ये changes हो सकते हैं ना, ये changes हो सकते हैं। रिया sometimes plays guitar, right? तो इसमें परसेंटेज है, ऑलवेज जैसे ऑलवेज 100%, यूजुअली 90%, यूजुअली जनरली 80%, है ना, ये इनडेफिनेट है। तो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो डेफिनेट एंड इनडेफिनेट फ्रीक्वेंसी में भी, मतलब उसको हम डेफिनेट या इनडेफिनेट फ्रीक्वेंसी में हम कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं उन वर्ड्स को, उन एडवर्ब्स को। ठीक है,